Hey guys, today we are talking about the brand new Jetboil Flash. Now if you're familiar with Jetboil, chances are you've used a Flash before, but now for 2018, it is the fastest stove on the planet to boil water. Now the Flash has always been about lightning fast boil times, and the new model continues that by shaving an entire minute off the previous version's boil time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now that means you can now boil 16 ounces of water in just 100 seconds. That means by the time you're done watching this video, you could have made tea or had dinner cooking. Measuring boil time in seconds is a huge deal. It means you'll be eating, sipping coffee, or just have clean drinking water faster than ever before. The engineers at Jetboil were able to cut down the time by a minute by challenging every aspect of the stove. They modeled the combustion and selected materials to completely optimize speed, efficiency, and precision. The base plate on the new Flash, which you can see right here, is made of aluminum, and that means it's an ounce lighter than previous models. Also makes for an easier on-off connection than the older model. The new Flash also has a thermochromatic heat indicator that changes color for safety and fuel efficiency. And it tells you exactly when the water is hot so you don't waste any fuel. It still comes with a 1 liter FluxRing cooking cup and insulated cozy, but it's also been updated with a more ergonomic design and an improved lid for better fit and function. It's got a drink-through lid with a built-in strainer, and the bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup and a bowl. The Flash also has a reliable push-button igniter, so you don't have to worry about forgetting your lighter, and it puts out 9,000 BTUs of power. Now, that's a lot of power, but what's important is what Jetboil does with all that energy. FluxRing technology, which you can see right here, means every BTU goes into heating your meal and not the air around it. So due to that amazing fuel efficiency, the new Flash will let you boil 10 liters of water with just one of these 100-gram Jet Power cans. There are also new Flash Cozy color options for 2018, including Carbon Black, Matrix, Jet Cam, and Wilderness. And you can opt for the new Flash Java Kit, which you can see right here. I love this thing because it gives you a Flash cooking system and a coffee press all in one. And you can never have enough good coffee in the backcountry. The new Flash is also compatible with other accessories like the hanging kit, pot support, FluxRing frying pan and pot, and utensils. So the new Flash is an amazing improvement to a legendary cooking system. It weighs just 13.1 ounces, and with a 100-second boil time, it's the fastest Jetboil ever made. So if you're looking for the world's fastest and most efficient backcountry cooking system, you just found it.
Meet the next generation of fire with the CampStove 2. A portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with updated thermoelectrics, the CampStove 2 provides 50% more power than the CampStove 1 and incorporates an onboard battery so you can store your electricity for whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring anywhere. And anytime you go off-grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the CampStove 2, part of the BioLite energy ecosystem.
Hey guys, today we're talking about the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp System. Now this thing is the world's first base camp cook system that will totally change the way you cook in the backcountry. It's truly incredible. I'm going to show you what it's all about. So the Genesis Basecamp System is basically a super fast and efficient 2-burner cook stove that comes with a 5-liter pot and a 10-inch frying pan. It all nests together in a compact package and weighs just 9 pounds. Everything works together to create the perfect system for fueling a demanding group during big adventures. So first let's talk about the Genesis stove itself. Now it's incredibly powerful with 2 10,000 BTU burners, and it'll boil a liter of water in just over 3 minutes. But it's also incredibly efficient. In fact, one of these 1-pound propane bottles will let you boil 48 liters of water. Now on top of that, it has Jetboil's unbeatable simmer control thanks to their patented regulator valve technology. And here's how that works. Most stoves go from closed to fully wide open with just one turn of the valve here, but with Jetboil you get 4 full turns. That means you have almost infinite fuel flow adjustability and consistent heat output from a light simmer all the way to a rolling boil. So you can cook perfectly golden brown French toast for breakfast in the morning and then rapidly boil water for fettuccine at night, all on the same stove. Now, each burner has a super reliable lever igniter for easy lighting, and the whole stove folds together for really easy storage. It's also JetLink compatible. So JetLink basically allows you to connect the Genesis to other stoves and accessories without the need for extra regulators and fuel sources. So all you do is connect the JetLink hose to the JetLink output on the Genesis, and then connect that same hose to the fuel input on the other stove, and you're good to go. So here we've got the Genesis hooked up to a half gen, and off of the half gen, we've got a Luna burner. So you can daisy chain a bunch of stoves and accessories together and create the ultimate camp kitchen that'll feed your entire crew before you head out for the day. The Genesis Basecamp System comes with a 5-liter flux pot and a 10-inch frying pan for eco-friendly non-stick cooking. So the 5-liter pot comes with Jetboil's FluxRing technology, which you can see right here, and that just helps out a ton with fuel efficiency and even heating. Now, they also have insulated handles for easy carrying, and the pot lid has an integrated strainer. Now, the whole thing is designed so that the stove itself fits right into the pot, and then the frying pan fits on top of everything to create a nice compact package, and then the whole system fits right in this great carry bag, which has a separate padded compartment for the fuel regulator and padded walls so nothing gets beat up. So with the Genesis Basecamp system, you're really getting the ultimate camp kitchen in a bag. And thanks to JetLink, you can expand that kitchen depending upon how many people you've got in your group. Everything you see here nests together neatly and is super portable, but more importantly, you're getting an incredibly powerful and versatile cook system that's perfect for fueling your group before a big adventure.
When heading into the backcountry, you need a compact, high-performance stove that won't let you down regardless of weather conditions. The new Windburner personal stove system is built with award-winning technology that allows it to operate flawlessly in weather that shuts other stoves down. MSR's most compact personal stove system combines this windproof technology with the ultimate convenience of a fully integrated system that is so fast and reliable it will change how you cook and brew in the backcountry. The Windburner stove system packs in everything you need to boil water fast anywhere. Inside, the 1-liter pot nests the canister stand, the stove burner, a 4-ounce or 110-gram isopro fuel canister, and a small cloth to protect the pot and burner head. Its 16-ounce bowl snaps onto the outside, and accessories like the Windburner coffee press and hanging kit also pack neatly away. The Windburner's pot is made of light, rugged aluminum and connects securely to the stove. It features an insulated cozy that is wrapped in heat-resistant fabric that won't singe over time. The lid features drinking and straining ports, so you can sip hot meals and drinks when the temperatures drop or the winds kick up. Both the lid and bowl are BPA-free and heat-resistant. Quick to break down, light and compact, the whole system stores easily in your pack. Our goal was to make a stove system that was as convenient and easy to use as it was fast and efficient. The Windburner stove uses MSR's radiant burner technology. These burners provide far more wind resistance than conventional burners and are difficult to blow out, even when the pot is removed. In addition, the Windburner stove operates on 100% primary air, drawing all the oxygen it needs through ports near the burner. This allows the pot's heat exchanger to completely enclose and protect the flame from wind and maximize heat. A pressure regulator ensures the stove offers consistent performance at altitude, in cold weather, and with a nearly empty canister. The result? In real-world conditions, the Windburner stove system boils water faster than the competition, using less fuel. Even in 12-mile-an-hour winds, the Windburner boils in just 2 minutes 45 seconds when other stoves slow or fail to boil altogether. With the Windburner's compact, integrated convenience, fast boil times, and incredible fuel efficiency, you'll carry less fuel and less weight in your pack, making the Windburner the ultimate personal stove system for performance you can count on anywhere your adventures take you.